Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to this powerful video, guys. This video literally is gonna be the most insane video I have ever made, okay? Because it may seem weird, but this literally can make you 5 grand per day plus, like a lot of money. It's crazy, okay? So these convert insanely well on different ad platforms I'm gonna share with you in this video, okay? But as you can see, like Sell Health, you can make a lot of money. You can make 70 grand, okay, in 1 month, like I've already done so far in this month, and it is a short month so far. What day are we on? Let me see. We are on the 10th, okay? We're on the 10th. This platform is a powerful platform. It's called Sell Health. You could totally go sign up on this platform and start crushing it. I'm crushing it with this offer and this offer right here, okay? So these offers pay like $100 around that, okay? On average, this one right here, it's like 150-ish, okay, on average. Some people you'll end up getting paid by some people this much, okay? Because they'll buy a huge package of like a ton of these pills. And it's insane. I mean, these offers, the math just works out for them really well. That's all you got to know, because the fact that you get paid higher than if you were doing one of these cam offers or a dating site offer where you get paid per sign up. Yes, you can make a lot of money with that, but you can make more money promoting these. Now, I'm going to give you guys several ways in this video, okay? This video is crazy, but a quick announcement real quick. At the end of this month, I will actually be releasing a method that is literally insane. So stay tuned for that. That'll be only available from the 1st to the 3rd, I believe. And then it's gone forever. I will not sell it ever again. Okay, so that's your only window to get it. And then it's gone. Okay, and this method's insane that I have for you. It's coming up very soon. So just stay tuned for that. Mark it in your calendars. Just be ready, because when it's done, it's done. But I will let you know when it's happening too. Okay, but just I bet you can't wait for that, because it's huge. Okay. Now here's the other thing to mention. All these offers can make money. Like, it's not like just one of these works. They all work. But the top ones for sure, it's this one and this one. I mean, they're just blowing out of proportion on adult like crazy. Same with this one right here. Okay. But I haven't promoted this one that much, so you could totally promote this one. This one's basically like this one. Okay. If you read about it, it's basically the same thing. Okay. But this one has better branding right now. And so it's like, which one do you want to do more? Because this one, most of the market is pretty much aware of now. Now it's just about getting in front of everyone and joining the trend, basically. It's pretty crazy. It's freaking insane, okay? So you could also sign up on Crack Revenue. So that other one was called Sell Health. You can sign up on Crack Revenue, and you could promote them here. I don't promote them here, but you could totally do it here, okay? So you just go right here. Okay, erectile dysfunction, male enhancement. Okay, let's do it. So basically, look, you'll see volume here, you'll see Semenax here, but they don't pay as much as over here. Okay, over here, this one right here pays 295, and then 50%. So right here it says they will give you 35%. Okay, so you're missing out. So that's why, if you're gonna do this, which you should start promoting these like crazy, because it works. It works. I mean, these things, they're getting bought up all day long. Okay. It's one of the biggest industries for adult for sure. Okay. But anyway, here's the thing. You can promote these. They pay good. And something I like about Crack Revenue is all the options of offers, and it's like the go-to adult network. But if you want to do anything Nutra related, I do recommend Sell Health. And that's it. That's it. I'm not affiliated with any of these really. If you want to get approved for Crack Revenue, though, you can go click down below through my link, and you can go get approved. Okay, very fast. Just say that to get approved on Crack Revenue or any other platform, just say you have high quality traffic you want to send, and then say the type of offer you want to promote. Okay, you know what offers on their network, you're going to be able to see it. And they're like, hey, I want to promote this offer. And they're like, okay, perfect. And you're like, I've got plans and everything in place to promote this offer. And they're like, okay. And you'll get approved super fast. And that's just how it works for any network. Okay. Now, to get traffic to these offers, here's how you do it. Here we are. This is a native advertising platform called Taboola. They're one of the biggest out there. Okay. And native ads works. It's just if the offer is, if there's any nudity, it's usually not allowed, but usually you can get a Nutra offer definitely allowed. And you could totally direct link if you want to. If not, you could try another native ad platform and get around it. And then the other thing is, you could do a bridge page, which is usually an advertorial. So an advertorial is basically your story selling at the top, then you educate in the middle about the offer, give value. At the bottom, you're pitching about 10 20% of the whole article, okay? At the bottom though, okay? You're pitching the offer. And in the story, the solution to the person's pain in the story is the offer. And then you educate about the offer, it gives value, and you help them make an educated buying decision, okay? So that's that right there. Then you got Taboola as the other native advertising platform right here. Taboola, my bad. Outbrain's very good, okay? This is my go-to one. I like Outbrain the most, but Taboola next, then Rev Content. Okay, Rev Content's great as well. But Taboola is good, and I keep calling Taboola Outbrain. Outbrain is the best, in my opinion, okay? Definitely recommend it. Now, if we were to look, I'll just skip that, okay. So, if you want to advertise on adult, this is my demonstration account for you guys, because I show this a lot. I don't want to blur out stuff. And the thing is, this is Traffic Junkie. So you can advertise on sites like Pornhub and sites like big sites, okay? And all you do, you add your funds, then you add an image here. You could do videos if you want to. And then you just literally do a campaign. And I'll show you some stuff real quick about this because some people have questions. But I have a lot of tutorials on the channel. You can go check them out. Desktop traffic, and then campaign name, blah, blah, blah. And then right here, you're going to want to do this one usually right off the bat, but you could totally test all sorts of different banner sizes, okay? You make the banners inside Canva very easily. I mean, you literally do a custom dimension. You're like, okay, I want to do 305 times 99. You're set, okay? You could do, for a dick pill offer, you could do either one of these. I stay away from this one, though. Gender, obviously, would be male, and it's cool that you can target male versus female because you weren't able to do that in the past, okay? Here's the other thing. Oh, baby. Whoa! Okay. So, oh, it just refreshed. We lost it. We lost it, boys. We lost it. Let's go back. I don't know why it refreshed. I don't know why that just happened, but okay. So after that, you're going to add your ads and you set your budget super easily. And after that, you just optimize it. You click the things that are right there. They're super simple. It's very easy to follow. It's not that hard. Definitely skip all this unless you're doing some geolocated, like local area, like a local business you're advertising. You could totally do that. It may come across weird. Depends on the business you're doing because you're advertising on adult sites. But yeah, you can crush it obviously with any CPA offer, okay? Doing adult marketing. You'll crush it every time. So Rev Content, Outbrain, Taboola, Crack Revenue, or Sell Health. And there's other ones out there. There's another one called Adult Force, okay? You can go on Adult Force and start crushing it there. But here's how the math works out though, okay? Let's say you're promoting Semenax here. To make $5,000 in a day, if you're getting 5x ROI, that would just be $1,000 into ads per day, and you make $5,000. Okay. What I'm seeing though with this, what I'm promoting right now, I'm seeing about 2x ROI. Okay, and that's with paid ads. That's with paid ads. And there's one more method I want to share with you guys for free traffic, where you can crush it with free traffic. But anyway, this one 3x. I've experienced 3x with this one, and all the others I haven't promoted. So you could absolutely promote all these other ones. Okay. Now let me show you something very crazy. Semenax. Okay, ready? So, as you can see here, Semenax is getting talked about, okay, by normal people, everyday people, anyone, and it's getting reviewed. And this is free traffic, and it's the best traffic in the world, and it's SEO friendly. You could do a blog and everything. But if you want to crush it, you can literally just review the product, okay? I was stupid. Semenax review, okay? My sincere opinion. Do whatever it takes, okay? To get your sale. Like literally story sell, like literally educate them on the offer, share your experience about the thing does best, and make like 100 videos about it, and you will start getting a lot of passive income just promoting these offers, guys. You can make a full-time income, make a free channel, make free videos, just buy the freaking pill, okay, for super duper cheap. Just buy the one package, okay? You can crush it, okay? I remember I found this kid when I was looking into the Blue Chew to promote the Blue Chew offer, okay, which doesn't really have an affiliate program for it anymore, all right? And Semenax might not either eventually, okay? And so this kid made videos that blew up, okay? I was like spying on this kid to see what he's doing, and he's just talking about his experience with these offers and walking around, okay? And he's holding the pill bottle, and he has a link in the description, okay? It's crazy. You could do the same thing, not that hard. If you don't want to show your face, so what? You don't need to say your name or anything if you don't want to. I don't know why people think that's a big deal to them, but I respect it. I respect it. You can do anything in this life, guys. You're capable of anything. If you've ever struggled to make money online, you can absolutely do it, okay? There's nothing holding you back here. You can absolutely crush it. Oh, look, there's a video of mine talking about how to promote SeamanX. If you want to go check out that video. It's funny. Okay. So, and then you can sort by view count, guys. You can literally see the best of the best performing ones, okay? So if it's a hot girl talking about it, boom, okay? If it's some dude sharing his experience for 3 minutes, perfect. If it's some dude talking for literally an hour about it, perfect, okay? Look at the thumbnails, look at what's said inside the videos, and look at how many subscribers they have too, because that can be correlated sometimes. And then look at the timestamp. How long is the video? Okay, that's important to know because sometimes people only want to listen to a review for 3 minutes, and then your video will perform even better. This one, 3 minutes. This one, 4 minutes. Okay, so understand that. And it's not that hard work. It's not that hard work. You could just record your screen of the sales page if you want, but you're gonna see better results talking face in the camera, holding the pill, and talking about your experience. Okay, do like 100 videos of that every day, and you will start seeing results. And here's the thing, guys. Look at this. If you go here, you will see all these offers. I recommend go buy every one of these and make a video about each one. Put your affiliate link in the YouTube description. You will start making money. You'll make a lot of money if you don't want to do paid ads. And I'm telling you what, paid ads is very hard to make work. You would need to have one-on-one mentorship to make it work most times. There are elements to paid ads and psychology that goes further than I can necessarily teach in this video, but I have courses about it. I mean, I work one-on-one with people. You guys can crush it, okay? But it comes down to, if you're going to do paid ads, you got to make it profitable. And like I said, I'm making 2x ROI with this, okay? And 3x with this one. And I can get to 3x with this one. I've had days where I've had 3x with this one, okay? You can do it too. I'm still doing it. Like, look, okay? If you look over here, this is like higher X ROI what I'm doing over here, but I don't really mention it too much. But I mentioned smart links. I mentioned, you guys can promote these top offers like this one right here. Wink, wink. This one's like promoting really well. If you were to promote any of these, you need to do free traffic with these, okay? If you wanted to promote these, I would say go make a YouTube channel. And I'd recommend, because, it's so saturated with paid ads, I'd recommend go make a YouTube channel, start screen recording your screen talking about these and blur a ton of stuff. And you will see a lot of money, okay? Thank you for watching till the end. That method right there can make you a lot of money. Passive income forever, okay? So don't forget it. Thank you so much for watching Learn Machines. I hope you're very, very excited for the end of this month, okay? From the 1st to the 3rd is going to be a crazy powerful method that's only available for 3 days. I'm giving to you guys, okay? I shouldn't be sharing it, but it's insane and making a lot of money right now, and will forever. And I'm excited to give it to you guys. But it's only available 3 days, then I'm taking it away forever. So just wait for that day or those days. Peace out, Learn Machines.